Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back. It's a very technoboy, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to clean the AC indoor unit. So this is a split AC. You can see that's the indoor unit. This thing gets dirty because it sucks the air from the top side and then blow the air from here, this place. So all the dust and the air lint and all that thing that stuck in the air filter inside here, and after some time that some of them get into the cooling coil too. So I'm gonna do the cleaning. I'm gonna show you how to do that. So first of all, let's remove this top cover, and here you can see two air filters are there. Just take it out. You can see they're very dirty. So I'm going to show you how to clean this thing. Now this is another one. So let me give you a closer look at this thing. That's the cooling coil here. All this dark part you can see behind this white plastic cover. And this is the cooling coil, and air is sucked inside from all this place here, the dark places. So all the dust are stuck here on that air filter mesh, and some of those. Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back. It's a very technoboy, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to clean the AC. But still I'm going to show you how to clean this thing. So first of all, let's clean those air filters. For that I have to go to the washroom, this thing, because this thing needs water and a brush. So let's go there. Alright, so as the filter, you can see it became kind of white, but the color of the, and now you can see the difference. That's the real color of the mesh, and that's the dust. So you can see how much dirty it has become, but it will become more dirty if you clean it timely. So let's clean it, all of it. So it's clean now. Another thing you can do is you just hold it just like this, and right below. So the force of the water will clean all the dust from this mesh like that. But there will be wastage of water, so it's better to clean it with a brush. So that's it. Now get back to the cooling coil. Right, so as I just told you, you can clean this alright, so as I told you, you just can clean this and then you can clean the cooling coil from here just like this. But I'm gonna go a little bit of deeper, so I'm gonna remove this front white color plastic cover, and then I'm gonna clean that thing. So if you're not sure about that, you don't need to do that. You just clean just like this from here. You just guys watch that for knowledge. So let's do it. First of all, I need to remove this flap here. That's it. And then 4 screws are there. I need to remove that, and also this thing, and also 1 screw is here, and there's a cover on that. So that's it. Need to remove the 6 screws. So now I'm going to remove this cover. This thing is also dirty too, and you can see the ants. So many dead ants are there inside right here. So I have to clean that too on the top side. there too. Alright, so that's the cooling coil. That's the complete coil from here to here, and from top you can see all dirty. So need to clean this, and for that what you need is just this, a mug like this, and water, and a brush for cleaning, and some detergent in it. You can use any detergent. You need the detergent for this brush to move smoothly on this coil fins here. So let's do the cleaning. All you need to do is just put the brush on the coil and then do it just like up and down. And do it very smoothly, and don't use much pressure on this thing, because if you do that the fins make gonna bend and that's gonna block the air flow. So just do it gently. Alright, so the cleaning is done, and you can see it's much better now. Though it was not that much dirty, still I clean it to show you. So now it's time to put it back together. So this is the front cover, and I've cleaned this thing too with simple water. So now let's put it back. Alright, so the main cover is done. Now time to put back the dust filters. All done. Alright, so the and then connect this. That's it, it's done. And now this flap here. So now it's completely done. Woo, it's so hot. Alright, so now let's turn this on and check. So it's better now. So that's it. That's how you can clean the air conditioner in the unit, and that's very easy. And one more thing to remember, in the summer we use the AC every day. So the dust filter I just showed you, the black ones, you need to clean that thing after a few days, 3-4 days. So if you do that and keep that clean, then your cooling coil will be less dirty. And of course, your cooling coil will be dirty, but it will take much more time to get dirty. So that's it. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.